by Funk Manufacturing. It's basically a well puller. It is a well puller. And it's got 3 wheels on the top. It's got a jack to make it tighter or looser. And you put it right on top of the well casing. And obviously you put a T-bar. And there's a pitless adapter in there that you can't see, but I can show you later. And this is the controller. Basically you can go up or down depending on what you're doing, obviously. And you connect it to power, and that's about it. T-bar, this is the T-bar. And that connects to a pitless adapter, which is this right there. So you see how you thread that in, and the pitless actually goes, connects. This is at the top of the well, obviously, in the casing, and that connects to a fitting that comes out of the well casing and goes right into your house. You always want to make sure the oil ring's okay. There's no burrs or anything like that, but it looks good. So we're gonna use that again. Yeah, right there too. On the foot? No, on last time. Oh shit, alright, I gotta... Just take it time. Alright, go ahead. Just get started. Or go ahead, lash it right there. No, you won't be able to. I gotta get it together on both sides. Yeah. There. Okay. Yeah, just hold it there. Get this lashed up with you. This one. Lined up. Yeah, that's it. I'm good. Alright, that's it. Where am I going? Straight down? Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. So what's in there is starting components, capacitors, running capacitors, thermal overloads, and any kind of relays. And since it's a 3-wire pump, it does have a control box. If it was a 2-wire, all the things I told you about would be in the pump itself. That's your pressure switch, and that is what tells the pump to turn on and turn off depending on what the pressure is at.